tool review of the week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
All right, so the tool that is it better now?
I think so. I don't know what the hell happened. But anyway, here we go. Here's tool review.
Yeah, so the tool this week is the new Milwaukee fast charger. This thing must have just come out because nobody on the job site heard about it yet. But it could charge 2 batteries at once, and I was looking into. I guess they got some new batteries too, like some new 5 amp hour batteries that are like lithium. And if they catch on fire, James would have no clue how to put it out. But
I know where you're going with it.
But no, so this is a really good new product for Milwaukee. I always said that the problem that I never liked about their equipment was the chargers and how slow they charge. So this thing looks like it charges 6 times faster, and looks like we can get you guys stepping into some red if you want to cross the line and head from the yellow decker over to the land of red. But like I said,